This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Afiya Walker-Sills. Beautiful, spacious 5-bedroom home is a must-see. This open floor plan is great for family and friends gatherings. Eat-in kitchen that leads to a sunroom and a deck off a large backyard. This home is one of the largest homes in the neighborhood. 2 primary bedrooms, one downstairs and the other upstairs, and a huge room over the garage. Nearby playground. For more information, review the details below or contact Afiya Walker-Sills at 757-549-2000.